Mic testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so plot twist of my life right now is that I did not tell my parents. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Although if you're watching this video, then technically you're not coming back because this is my first ever long video on YouTube.
Amazing!
So, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first ever proper introduction. Okay, this feels a little weird, not because I have never talked to a camera before. Vlogging has actually been something I have loved for a quite long time. Like when I was a kid, I used to grab my mother's phone or my father's phone and start recording videos of literally random and simple things. And कुछ तो ऐसे थे कि जो unnecessary में आएंगे, but I used to, capture them. And that is something, you know, जिस चीज़ के लिए मुझे आज भी जज किया जाता है कि भाई इसका वीडियो कौन उठाता है? अच्छा अब इसका भी वीडियो उठाना है तुझे? अच्छा इसका भी फ़ोटो उठाना है? बस कर दे यार। Maybe that's one of the reasons I wanted to start making videos in the first place, and that is the reason I started a YouTube channel also. But sitting down and making an actual introduction video is a little different because now I actually have to introduce myself, and honestly, I don't even know how to do that without making it sound like a school speech. You remember that school wala wo myself? My name is this. I live here. I read in this class. I study in this school. So yeah, I don't want to introduce myself like that. So instead of giving you a proper myself introduction, I thought why not just let you get to know me through this video. And yes, I am holding an earphone mic in my hand, if you can see that.
Wow!
Very professional setup. Well, not a professional setup, but it's just me, my earphone wala mic, mobile wala camera, and a small dream. Because I wanted to do this like this, and I'm doing it. So, hi, this is me. Well, not exactly all of me because I'm still not revealing my identity, not my name, not my face, at least not right now. So, for now, you will have to get to know me through my voice, my thoughts, my videos, my study sessions, and probably my completely random decisions. But I think that's okay because sometimes you don't need to know someone's name to relate to them. Sometimes you just need to hear someone say, Yaar, same. Yaar, she's so relatable. Yaar, same to same. Ditto. These words. And feel like, okay, I am not the only one. So let me start properly. I am a PCMB student, which, if you know, you know, and if you don't, just imagine choosing four subjects and then voluntarily making your life 10 times more complicated. Yes. And along with being a PCMB student, I'm also a NEET aspirant, which means I have a lot to study, a lot to revise, a lot of questions to solve, and a lot of things to remember, and a lot of moments when I look at my syllabus and think, अच्छा ये सब भी करना है, ये कब हुआ था? Apparently, but here is the thing. I am not one of those people who has everything perfectly figured out. I don't study for 12 hours every day. I don't always follow up my timetable. Actually, sometimes I spend more time making the timetable than following it. Very productive. But honestly, I think I'm still trying to understand what kind of a person I am too. Like sometimes I can be very talkative with the right people. I can talk for hours when I'm comfortable. And then there are days when I just disappear into my own world. No talking, no unnecessary human interaction. Yeah, normal ही interaction भी नहीं. I'm like यार चले जाओ, दूर हो जाओ. अकेला छोड़ दो मुझे. So yes, I think I'm somewhere in between. Maybe an ambivert, like वही नाम दिया गया है क्योंकि some say they are introverts, some say they are extroverts. अब जो इंसान बीच में अटका हो, कभी बात करने का मन हो, कभी एक्सट्रोवर्ट की हरकत करे, कभी इंट्रोवर्ट की हरकत करे, तो या you can call me an ambivert then. But honestly, I don't think I want to define myself with just one word because I think people are a little more complicated than that. Okay, so I am sometimes extremely social. Sometimes I don't want to talk to anyone. Sometimes I feel like I can do everything. And sometimes I just sit there and think, what am I even doing with my life? Like, seriously. And I think so much that sometimes I think more than I should. And you call it overthinking? Yes, I am a professional overthinker, guys. Professional.
अच्छा.
Like imagine किसी की like small conversation या छोटी सी कोई बात हुई है वो भी बहुत साल पहले एंड अचानक से वो मुझे याद आए एंड देन that normal thing, that normal convo or that normal you know जो मुझे वो thought आया है वो normal सा thought converts into a full length psychological analysis. Like वो खतरनाक वाली वेब सीरीज you can say it. So yeah, the real thing is that I notice small things and like art of noticing मेरा बहुत खतरनाक वाला है.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
And maybe that's also why I love capturing small moments क्योंकि मैं वो चीज़ें नोटिस करती हूँ and I feel like यार it should be with me, right? तो I want to capture it. फिर मेरा जो कैमरा है वो कैप्चर कर पाए या ना कर पाए, बट वो एक वो टेंडेंसी होती है ना कि फ़ोन खोलो, वीडियो उठाओ, फिर क्या आए, क्या नहीं आए, वो दैट्स सेकेंडरी, बट एटलीस्ट आई नो दैट आई captured that, right? So that's why my capturing is not necessarily the big exciting. कभी कभार it's just my desk, वो टाइम लैप्स मैं उठाती हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ एंड टाइम लैप्स पे मैंने वीडियो उठा लिया, ठीक है, एंड आई यूज टू डू दैट एंड टुडे आई एम लिटरली पोस्टिंग दैट थिंग ऑन लाइन on the YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. Like, it's a big thing for me actually. And not only that, like going somewhere, as I already said, having a random good day or a completely terrible day, having a random convo with anyone, or just even sitting somewhere and thinking about life, the kind of moments that don't seem very important while they are happening, but somehow become special when you look back at them, honestly. And जब कभी इंसान वो वीडियो या वो फोटो देखता है ना, अचानक से गैलरी में नजर पड़ती है, कभी कभार इट फील्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग एट दैट टाइम. चलो ठीक है, ओ ये तो हम वहाँ गए थे तब उठाया था, राइट? एंड मेरे लिए इट्स लाइक कैप्चरिंग मोमेंट्स, इट्स लाइक लोग डायरी लिखते हैं ना, मैंने डायरी लिखी है, लाइक बचपन में स्टार्ट तो की थी, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स वो मैंने लाइक कंटिन्यू नहीं करी कभी, ऐसे ही फिर फाड़ देती थी पेजेस वेजेस.
Amazing!
But I used to talk to myself. I used to just discuss it with my walls of my room, and वही आदत मेरी आज भी है, ठीक है? ओके, यहाँ पे अचानक से थॉट आया तो आई शुड से दिस, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन आपके माइंड में भी आ सकता है कि क्यों आपके भाई बहन नहीं है. तो यस, मेरे भाई बहन नहीं है. आई एम अ लोन चाइल्ड ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स एंड दैट्स वाई. Okay, so plot twist of my life right now is that I did not tell my parents about this channel. Well, you are officially a part of my secret. Don't expose me now. Okay, okay, okay. Well, it's not because कि वो मेरे को करने नहीं देंगे. They would support me, but at least not right now. I would tell them in future, but अभी के लिए obviously I know they will tell me भाई पढ़ाई है, यही सब थोड़ी करना है एंड ऑल दैट, दे विल हेजिटेट इन दैट वे। बट क्या करें, हमको तो शौक ने मारा भाई, करना तो पड़ेगा, इसलिए कर लिया मैंने उनको बिना बताए। Actually, I love the idea of documenting life, like capturing moments and keeping them there. अभी तक तो like गैलरी में थे, and now I officially have a page to keep them, and सालों बाद भी देख सकती हूँ कि हाँ इस दिन ये किया था, फिर इस दिन ये पढ़ रही थी मैं, एंड उस दिन ये हो रहा था। So yeah, and I think that's the best. You can call it a hobby too. पर मेरा तो शौक था, मेरा ड्रीम था। Now it became a hobby, because not even a hobby, it's actually a task for my day. Like मेरे to do list में होता है हर दिन I have to post one short video. मेरा खास प्लान नहीं था लॉन्ग वीडियो बनाने का, बट कुछ चीज़ें अगर अनप्लान्ड ही रहती है ना, लाइक फिर बाद में हम उनके बारे में सोचते हैं, दैट्स लाइक समथिंग बेटर। क्योंकि मैंने प्लान तो नहीं किया था लॉन्ग वीडियो डालने का, बट बन गया प्लान, अब अचानक से आ गया मेरे को मूड लाइक दैट। तो या आई फेल्ट, why not to just let you know ki who I am behind those video. So that's why. And honestly, if I say, I'm still learning, I'm still trying, still making mistakes and figuring out what works for me. Okay, so maybe this channel can be a little record of that process, the things I learn, the things I struggle with, the things I achieve, right? And मेरे हिसाब से it's not necessary to become perfectionist, because in the end nobody is perfect. हम सबके पास अपनी अपनी imperfections होती है, but the thing which matters is कि you should take your imperfections with you and grow with them, work on them, grow with them. क्योंकि जब आप उन पे वर्कआउट करोगे, आप खुद ही एक बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ बनोगे, right? And that's what exactly matters, क्योंकि in the end of the day, who cares? Why would you care about anyone else? It's only you versus you. So yes, because in the end of the day, मैटर वही करता है कि तुम्हारे लिए क्या अच्छा है, तुम क्या अच्छा कर रहे हो, ठीक है? So if you are one of them, like you are preparing for an exam, you are still trying to become more disciplined, you're trying to change something about your life, you have a dream that you haven't started working towards yet, or maybe you are just trying to figure out what you even want, ठीक है? I hope you know that you don't have to have everything figured out before you start, ठीक है? You can start confused, you can start scared, you can start imperfectly, you can start with whatever you have, because clearly I did. And it's not because like मैं माइक नहीं ला सकती थी एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट मैं चाहती थी कि मैं स्टार्टिंग यहाँ से करूँ, बिकॉज perfection, what is perfection? Why not to start with imperfections? And I think this looks more aesthetic, I feel like, and I feel good about it, and that's why I'm doing this, ठीक है? तो लाइक मुझे किसी को इम्प्रेस थोड़ी करना है कि पहले दिन पहले वीडियो में माइक एंड ऑल दैट। सो या आई फील गुड विद दिस, सो या व्हाई नॉट। अपने दिल की सुनो, अपनी सुनो, एंड डू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू, ठीक है? दैट्स इट। सो येस, दिस इज माई बिगिनिंग, this is my first ever long video, as I already said, and I don't know where the journey is going to take me, and I don't know where this channel is going to go. Maybe ये वीडियो कुछ लोग देखेंगे, कुछ टाइम के बाद बहुत सारे लोग देखेंगे, बट एटलीस्ट उस मोमेंट पे मैं ये तो मतलब बोल सकती हूँ अपने आप से कि एटलीस्ट आई ट्राइड, एटलीस्ट आई स्टार्टेड। इस पे मुझे एक शेर याद आया है, दैट इज, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले नहीं। तालियां 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 बजाओ, इरशाद। It's something like that. So welcome to my little corner of the internet. Welcome to my study journey, my NEET preparation journey, my lifestyle, my motivation, my ordinary days, my chaotic days, and all the little moments in between. If you are someone who likes study content, realistic student life, motivation, lifestyle, or you just want to watch someone trying to figure things out, then maybe you should stay. And if you decide to stay, thank you. Honestly, because you are here at the very beginning. And I don't know where the journey is going, but I hope you stay long enough to find out. And maybe somewhere along the way, we can figure things out together. We can have productive days, unproductive days, days where everything goes perfectly hypothetically, and days where all can say, यार आज नहीं हो रहा छोड़ो यार, and then we try again कल फिर से, because that is the whole point, right? We can take rest, but we don't have to quit. We don't have to be perfect. We just have to keep going. So if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you have made it this far into my first ever long video, thank you for listening to me talk for this long. I genuinely hope you enjoyed being here. And if you feel like you relate to even a single little part of what I said, maybe you should stay, subscribe to the channel, and become a part of my journey from the very beginning. No pressure, huh? But I would genuinely love to have you here as my ATC, and it would mean a lot to me, honestly. Thank you so much for watching my first ever long video. Thank you so much for being here, and welcome to my beginning. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Fi amanillah. Bye bye.